welcome to Surin Beach in Phuket. So today is about exploring beach and yeah, I'm super happy. Every day is beach day and coconut trees everywhere. Follow me. Oh my God, this is a tropical paradise.
Yo, what's up everybody? As you see, Winny is very excited being in Phuket today, and yesterday we are in Surin. That's actually a very nice beach. I've been here last time, was nobody, now it's busy again, but I think I don't need to mention about that as Phuket is back now. So it's actually pretty cool. As you can see, crowds already back. Look at the doggo. Definitely not hungry dog. Have something to eat, and you can have a massage on the beach like this one. Check this out from the local aunties, and some bars with the beers, juices, and you park the motorbike. And this is the like a nice restaurant with the coconut trees. Check this out, this coconut trees and everything. Actually, pretty decent. And there's the bar. Yo, what's up? Only. Everybody
So
are
nice.
happy.
Look at this coconut tree. Oh my goodness, so lovely. It's a very nice shiny days, and it's not that super hot at today, yeah, honey. It's totally different.
It's a
Last
little bit
time-
cloudy actually today,
Yeah.
to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, and then what I can say then it's very the weather is not so humid, and everywhere here people are enjoying the time by the beach and with the green views, coconut trees. Let's explore more.
My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading now into an endless hole. When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Honey, let's explore the beach there.
Okay,
Let's
let's-
see if it is, if Surin Beach is more busier than the Karon and Kata Beach there in Phuket Central, or let's see.
Let's see. Anyway, that's the beach situation, the entrance actually, which is nice, it's everywhere.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my God. This is like in the movie, right, honey? But this is not a Maya Bay, not Phi Phi Island yet, no?
No, not yeah,
It's
but
different, right?
but there was like over 50 Hollywood movies made in Thailand. Probably not for no reason, right?
Yes, no wonder. And look at that. Look at the people on the beach and look at the color of the ocean. Very blue, clear sky. Clear ocean. Come in, honey. And
So
look at
cool.
so many people are swimming here. Very nice. And here there are not so many water sport attraction. Only one or two people, are on a jet ski. But behind people here, mostly like for the chilling, enjoying the beach, swimming in the ocean. And look at that. Look at the sand, white sand, clean. The color of the ocean, so blue and powdery sand. I don't know. I already speechless.
Be
honey.
careful your shoes.
I already ran out of words how to explain how amazed I am with the beauty. I don't know. I just like speechless, watching all the crowds here on the beach. I think that everywhere in the beach, in Phuket especially, are packed with people like behind me. And look at the nature behind. One thing that I see here in Phuket, they still keep the nature, right, honey? Not so many beach clubs behind. And look at the forest still.
But the one thing is actually true and fact as to compare to other islands in Southeast Asia. Phuket, yeah, they still keep a lot of nature, like almost any beach. Yesterday or today, there's a lot of coconut trees or palm trees and not so many buildings just directly next to the beach. So that's actually pretty cool. You can still enjoy the beaches like this one. As you can see in the background, it's just the coconut trees, and they have only like a stars with the umbrellas and temporary plastic chairs, and that's it. So that's actually cool. There is some beach club, probably later we're gonna show you, but not so many, and not so many like beach resorts like directly facing the beach, like a private beach resort or something like that. So there are pros and cons, but I think the nature is better. Nature is better, right?
Oh, I forgot to mention my dress today. Today we met beautiful, lovely couple, actually from Hawaii, based in Bali, but they are in Phuket for 1 week, and they just contact us and they give me this one, Island of Mana. Very beautiful. I love this one.
And as you can see on the edge of the beach, Surin beach, there are nice rocks and the beautiful color of the water and the coconut trees in the background. This is actually the most coolest part. The coconut trees actually, for me personally, but for you, happy just in general as this is the beach, right?
Look at the coconut,
Cool.
the nature.
And also they are very cool atmospheric little stars, like wooden stars, bamboo stars, where you could have, lunch or drink or cocktail or juice, for example, coconut. Everything is here. Prices are actually pretty affordable. And of course, this is like a Bang Tao district already. So it's about 45 minutes drive from Patong, obviously, because most of people who are coming to to Phuket only know Patong basically, and that's the similar with Pattaya, only go to Pattaya Central. But you have to explore actually all around the island. There are more popular and less popular destinations, but definitely worth to go everywhere. And the Surin beach is one of them, definitely worth it. And I can promise you, if you come by yourself, you're not gonna regret this.
This is highly recommended, and I think this is one of my favorite beaches in Phuket. Surin, Karon, Kata, and I don't know what's the next. Depends on what's the next journey.
Exactly, but plenty things to explore. There is also the massage, what I mentioned at the beginning of today's video, but also Phuket have a Phuket town, which is like an old town with also nice architecture, small alleys, many nice cafes and some museums and stuff like this one. But since we are based in Bangkok, we're using opportunities to show you the beaches and nature rather than just another old town. We're gonna come back to Bangkok in the next few days. We're gonna come back with the city vibe, right? But yeah, that's how it is. This is the Phuket.
All right, we found one beach club here. We just want to see how is beach club in Phuket, because in Bali there are a lot of beach club like mushroom after the rain, but here I only found one in Phuket. Let's see how it is.
Okay, let's see. This is the roads, by the way. Check this out, the roads in Phuket. Have you ever seen the white road like this one in Bali, right? I know we are again comparing to everything, but the Cafe Del Mar, it is in Bali actually. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you, Cafe Del Mar here is actually pretty decent. This beach club. There's not so many beach clubs like a proper beach clubs in Phuket, but Cafe Del Mar, this one is actually pretty cool. Prices, I could say maybe slightly higher than in Bali. However, for the one beer San Miguel coconut, we paid 320 bahts. So it's actually not that bad, but the food options are pretty pricey. Overall vibe is very cool. So many people from all around the world enjoying their time. Even it's just middle of the week. It's not the weekend. Imagine on the weekend actually. It must be very, very busy. And we are currently on the beach. It's also very cool, and seems like there are some hotels actually around as well.
Very nice and cozy. I think that mostly visitors here are, you know, international tourists who coming to Phuket. Maybe just because of the prices there in the, you know, beach club. And but next to it there is a beautiful resort. It's called Intercontinental Phuket. Oh, Intercontinental Phuket is here basically.
Intercontinental. There is actually wedding ceremony right now, I think.
Oh my
by the way.
God, so
cool.
beautiful.
Cozy, small, but the wedding, people enjoying. That's the Intercontinental actually. Okay. When we were in the beach club, there was very loud music. I mean, this is beach club, so you can expect us a loud music and everything. So there's some parts of the beach club we covered while we are talking, and now I'm gonna put some my personal music, and you can enjoy. And then we're gonna come back with the sunset on the beach. Actually, I don't know what's the name of the beach. Kamala Beach, actually.
Kamala Beach.
Kamala
Yes,
Beach.
yes.
Cafe Del Mar, and the Intercontinental is next to Kamala Beach.
Things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it's tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I can't see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you are all that I need. You are all that so I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
The guy there playing on the saxophone actually so romantic.
So romantic. I think that this part of Phuket is best for you your family. I think that for family getaway and also for honeymooners coming to Phuket, because it will be beautiful sunset, romantic ambience.
Look at the swings like this, and also so cute and so romantic actually.
Yes, so I don't know what I can say. Very, very nice.
Very nice indeed. And also next door is another hotel, and I think this one is actually still belongs to the Intercontinental, and there in the corner is Novotel in Kamala Beach.
Honey, look at this. Swing by the beach.
Like a kid, huh? Oh, so cool. And this is at the front of the Cafe Del Mar, by the way, right?
Yes, so I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Honey, look at that. Those two elephants. Oh my goodness, they're living wild. I mean, they are not in chain.
How cool is this, huh?
Wow, I never see elephant living like this. Because mostly in Bali they are chained.
In the parks, right? Yeah, they have owners here, like this one and two.
That's the mahots.
Mahots, yeah, mahots. So cool. We stop on the middle of the road to show you elephants. Very cool, Surin.